Are you stuck with an OST file that you can't open? Is this due to your Outlook profile being gone or just simply corrupted? While those important emails are trapped, you're spending time trying to recover them. There is, however, good news. Stellar Converter for OST makes it dead simple to turn your OST files into PST files that you can open in Outlook anywhere. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through every step from start to finish. You want to get started with Stellar? Click the link in the description below. Let's get into it. Alright, so we're on our desktop. The first thing we need to do is download and install. So here we are. Use the link in the description down below. You'll find yourself on this page and click on free download. Quite simply, from here it will start downloading. You'll see up on the top right hand side in your downloads that it is starting to download. It is less than 20 megabytes, so it's really small. Click on this, it'll open up the install wizard. Now we are going to go through the process. Make sure that you choose your language first of all, and here click on next. Now have a look at the license agreement. Make sure that it's selected I accept the agreement. Click on next and choose the location to install the program. Click on next. I've already installed it, so I'm going to go ahead and just say yes, but if you haven't already installed it, you won't get that. If you'd like a desktop shortcut, make sure that this is checked on. Click on next, check all your details and click on install. Now once you've installed this, you will have something that looks like this. It'll open up, and the very first thing that you'll be prompted with is how to import your profiles. So once you click the list profiles option, Stellar Converter for OST software syncs and lists all of your configured Outlook profiles automatically. So if you had selected the other option, you would be brought to this window where you can choose your mailbox manually. Now there's two ways to do this. You can click on find, or you can click on browse, which will allow you to look through your computer and find it on your own. Let's do that. I have now located my file, and here we are going to click on convert. Now depending on how large this file is, it will take a few seconds to a few minutes. You'll now see that it says the selected file has been converted. Click save convert file button to save the converted PST file. Now on the left you can see, if you just make this a little bit larger, you can see everything that was converted, everything within that file. That OST file literally had everything in it. Here you can see, if you click on any one of these, you'll see the actual body of that item. Now quite simply, all we have to do is now click on save converted file. So here you can choose what file format you would like it in. Of course we're looking for PST, so click on next and select the destination that you would like your file to be saved to. I'm going to keep it as is, and you can select recover deleted items as well if you'd like that in there. If you'd like to learn more about the deleted items, you can go ahead and click on that info button, and then you can auto split your PST file. If you want to know more about that, you can also click there to see details, and then there are also advanced filters which you can see over here. But for now we are going to click on OK, and we are going to save our converted file. Again, this will take a few seconds to a few minutes, so make sure that you are patient, wait for this process to complete, and the next step we're going to take is now clicking on OK, and we are going to import. Now, you'll need to use Microsoft Outlook Classic. This is the Microsoft version that you get when you have Microsoft 365 Premium. Basically, Microsoft 365 paid version. Okay? Once you get in here, you will see File on your ribbon on the top left, the very first option, and here you want to click on Open and Export, and from here you want to look for Open Outlook Data File. It'll open up your storage location and look for that PST file that we just saved. Now this should be the file name with the word converted afterwards, so there it is. Click on OK. On the left, you can open up this bar. You will now see the Stellar Converter for OST. and you will see all of your files right here, quickly and easily. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to use the link in the description down below. We'll see you next time.